Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Adia Sherelle, and today I will teach you how to do knotless braids. Let's get into this tutorial. I am starting off with blow-dried hair to make the process much easier. So I went ahead and did parts ahead of time, and here is the braiding hair I use. It's roster free and it's already pre-stretched. Believe me, it'll save you all the time. Let's get into the hair prep. This is the size you want for each section. Go ahead and start to lay the pieces. Make sure you have the same amount in each piece. You're putting one piece per peg. And then you're gonna go right on top of that and then just wrap the piece around 2 pegs. This way you could get more sections of hair and not have to keep stopping and adding more hair, and then continue that process all the way up. And there you have it, a huge time saver. Okay, let's get our handles together, so our grip is right. This is how you want to hold the hair. This way it gives you room and control over how you attach the piece. So separate your hair into 3 sections. Take the outside section towards the front of your face, bring it into the center. And then take the outside piece towards the back, bring that into the center. And do that one more time, bring that front piece into the center. Now grab one strand of the hair that you already pre-sectioned, scoop it under, and let your index finger and middle finger grip that new attached piece. And you see, you still have the 3 strands there. Again, bring the back strand into the center. You are forming your braid. Bring the front section into the center. Go ahead, grab another section, same thing, scoop it under, wedge it between the index and middle finger, and you have the attached piece to the front strand and the middle strand. Go ahead and continue to braid. Let's take one more section, scooping it under, wedging it in between the index finger and the middle finger. It's attached to the extension is attached to the front piece and the center piece, as you can see here. Continue with the braid. Next, we're going to flip it and reverse it. Bring both hands down to one side. You don't want your shoulders to get tired on you, and just braid it down. And talk about shoulders. I swear, people who braid their own hair probably have the strongest shoulders in the world, because it is no joke. Okay, and here I'm going to attach another piece. Some of the strands were getting a little thin, and the key to getting uniform braids, you want to make sure all 3 strands have the same amount of thickness. Grab a strand of hair, put it behind, connect the outside strand and the middle strand to the attached hair, and just continue on with your braid. Once you start to feel more comfortable, you do not have to braid as much in the beginning. This is what I mean. Let me show you. Again, separate into 3 sections. This time, I am going to pull from the back first. So I am going to bring the back strand into the center, Then I'm going to move the front strand into the center and start attaching the hair right away. So again, tuck under, wedge between your index finger and your middle finger. You see what I'm doing here? Just slides right on through, stick it right up in there. And you see that the front strand has an attached piece in the center strand, and then continue with your braid. And that strand that was in the back is now in the front. You see that it doesn't have any attached hair to it, so just grab a piece and just stick it right on in there. Just let it slide on through. And just continue the whole process all the way down. I have to say, I really enjoyed the process of doing these knotless braids. There was barely any tension. My hair was not sore at all. And the braids were so flexible. I was ready to flip, dip, turn, twist my hair all the way around right after they were done. So I would for sure recommend doing this hairstyle. And some of you may be curious to know, how long did these last? How long did they hold up after a couple of weeks without having the knot at the top? Don't you worry, I have created a video to show you exactly how they held up and exactly what I did to maintain them. Stay tuned, and here is the finished product. Wait, hold on before you leave. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be giving you so many more videos, so many more hairstyles that you would just love. And guess what? I make it super easy for you too. Bye, friends.